Listen and say. Write the numbers in words.
3, 5, 8, 10, 11, 14, 16, 17, 19, 22, 23, 26, 29, 30.
Connect the dots. Count, drag and match. Look, listen and say.
Z is for zoo, Z is for zebra, Z, Z, Z. J is for jeep, J is for jump, J, J, J.
What do you see in the picture? Click on the pictures for sound. Zoo, zip, buzz, zebra, prize. What do you see in the picture? Click on the pictures for sound.
Jam in the jar, juice in the jug, Jim is telling a joke.
Read the highlighted words. Look at the pictures. Say the words that have the same middle sound. Read the sentences aloud. Underline the words with the J sound. Circle the words with the Z sound.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown.